Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about integrating factor. So I will choose about mu s equals to e to the power of. We have 2 over s next to y, so we have the integration of 2 over s dx. This is about integrating factor. The integration of this one, we have 2 ln s. Number 2, we go inside about ln, and you got about e to the power of ln of s squared. That means we can multiply both sides by this one. So if we simplify, and you got about s squared. Now we multiply by s squared in here. This one we have s to the power of 3. This one we have 2sy. Now we can put the integration for the both sides. Now we can apply about the product rule of derivatives. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So if we look carefully about this one, this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v. This one is about first derivative of v. That's about s squared in here multiplied by u. So if we do this integration, we have y equals to uv. That means the integration of this one, we have ys squared. The integration of s to the power of 3, we will have about s to the power of 4 over 4. And we put about c. We simplify number 4. Later that we divide both sides by s squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.